Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making super addictive, super crunchy cornflake tofu. Y'all, these tofu nuggets are super toothsome. They're covered with a crunchy, flavorful cornflake coating, and I can't wait to show you how to make them. Let's do it! Start by pressing your tofu, and while your tofu is pressing, you can prepare everything else. Grab your food processor and add cornflakes, cornstarch, and spices. Then run your food processor until you have an even, chunky mixture. You're not going for like a flour consistency here. You want a little bit of texture in this mixture because that's part of what gives these nuggets that good crunch. Cut the tofu into cubes. Now mix together soy or oat milk with apple cider vinegar. What you're basically doing here is making vegan buttermilk. It's nice and thick, and that is what's going to help the coating adhere to the tofu. Put your cubed tofu into a large bowl with the vegan buttermilk you just made, then toss it to coat it all really well. You should have very little liquid left in the bottom of the bowl when you're done tossing. Now grab a few pieces of the tofu and coat them in the cornflake mixture. Pat the cubes so that the cornflake mixture adheres really well, and then transfer them to either your air fryer basket or a lined baking sheet. Now it's time to air fry or bake. You can spray the tofu pieces with oil if you want. It's gonna help them get a little more golden brown, but you can also do these without extra oil. I like to use a vegan honey mustard to dip these, and if you wanna do that too, it's super easy. You can make it while the tofu is cooking. Grab yourself a small bowl, then add Dijon mustard, vegan mayo, and agave nectar, and whisk that together until you have a nice even mixture. You can mess around a little bit with the ratio of mustard to mayo to agave, so if you want to add a little more mayo to make it creamier, you can. If you like it a little bit sweeter, add a touch more agave. Just whisk, taste, and whisk again until you reach the flavor and the consistency that you want. Once that tofu is a beautiful golden brown, you are ready to serve. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these cornflake tofu nuggets. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!